Does marriage to a U.S. citizen automatically grant lawful status in the U.S.?
The mere fact that somebody gets married to the United States citizen do not grant them permission to remain in the United States.
A United States citizen who marries someone who would like to obtain their permanent residence or green card must file a petition
and attach proof that their marriage is real, meaning not just for a green card, like bank statements, proof of children in common, a lease, or other shared financial documents.
They must also promise in writing that the spouse will not need financial support for the United States for 10 years or until they become United States citizens.
If the United States citizen's petition for their spouse is approved, the foreign spouse may then apply for permanent residence.
This separate application requires the immigrant spouse to complete a medical examination
to show that they have all their vaccinations and that they do not have any contagious diseases.
With very limited exceptions, the immigrant spouse has to prove that they were inspected and admitted, meaning that they entered the United States lawfully.
People who arrive to the United States unlawfully are almost never eligible to receive permanent residence in the U.S. through their spouse
and must go through a separate, lengthier process that involves returning to their home countries to complete their green card application.
Generally speaking, if the immigrant spouse has no previous history of immigration issues,
no criminal issues, and no other problems that will make them inadmissible,
they will be approved for permanent residence.
Once granted legal permanent resident status, or LPR,
the immigrant spouse can apply to become a U.S. citizen through the naturalization process. In order to naturalize, the immigrant spouse has to prove that they have been married to and living with their U.S. citizen spouse
for at least 3 years.
As you can see, getting permanent residence through a marriage to a U.S. citizen is a complicated process which requires a great deal of paperwork, years of processing time, and fees of about $1,500.